So in this Coinbase tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy Cosmos, ticker symbol ATOM on Coinbase. So once you're on Coinbase, go to the trade option at the bottom and press on trade right here. Then once you're on the trade screen, go to the top and press on search for an asset and then type in a ticker symbol ATOM to get Cosmos at the top here. Press on Cosmos right here. Then once you're on this screen, go to the bottom and press on trade and then press on buy ATOM or buy Cosmos with cash. Once that is done, type in the amount that you want to invest into Cosmos. So if I just wanted to do $2, for example, I'll just press on 2 and then press on review order. It's now going to take a couple seconds to sort of recognize this purchase and take you to the next screen. So just bear with it while it does its thing. Then once you're on this screen, finally, simply go to the bottom, press on place order to finalize your purchase. And there you go. That is how you guys can buy Cosmos, ticker symbol ATOM on Coinbase. And I hope this video helped.